Sorry for my hair, obviously, but today I'm going to replace the screen on this iPhone. So, it is an iPhone 5C. There are people who still use it, but I'm going to attempt to replace the screen. Never really done it, so I mean, why not? Told my friend I could do it. Actually, I've done it a lot of times, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to give it a go. Here's the phone, the cracked screen. Here's the new screen, and we're going to put that in. I bought the whole unit, so the button and everything. First things first, I'm going to take out the SIM card if there is one. Nope. So it's been used as a non-working phone. We've got the small little tipped screwdriver, and I'm going to pop the bottom two screws out. And set them on this white box. Then we've got this piece here. I'm going to put it as close to the home button as possible. Pull back on it while I pry the screen from the phone. So, I'm going to pry the screen from the phone. Oh, looks like they got a battery in here too. And we're just going to lift that up like this. And there's 4 screws, it looks like, right here. You can see that there's 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it should expose the connectors I want to see. And then this plate should come right up. So there's the plate. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. So here's the plate. We've got the connectors right here, and I'm just going to use the little disc thing that they gave me to pry them all out. There we go. Here's the old screen. Here's the new screen. Compare them both. What I'm going to do is lay this flat like that, and then try and line them up. You want to make sure they're tight because it would suck if it's not. So we're going to push them all down, push all the fasteners down. Hold it all down. We're going to take that metal plate from before. One of those 4 screws, I'm going to screw in the top one here. Should be better, easier said than done. So we screw in one. Little screws are a pain in the butt. I'm doing it in a crisscross pattern so I can attempt to do it evenly. Okay. And this last one. Alright, now that it's all screwed down, unit, I'm going to take the top, close it, apply some pressure, even pressure, around the screen of the phone, press it back down into place. There you go. Take the last two, the little two bottom screws. I'm going to put them back in. Make sure all the sides are checked. Pull off the cover, the little plastic protective shield, and there we go. Screen's fixed. Now let's turn it on. There we go. Screen's fixed. Let me put the SIM card. There we go. It's that easy. Well, I hope this helps someone if they're trying to fix their obsolete, outdated iPhone 5C. At this point, they are good phones. I used to have one, and I knew how to replace this screen, so I lied earlier about that. But just to show you, it's really easy to replace the screen on your iPhone. I mean, I've broken the iPhone 6 screen so many times that the fact that it still works is something else. And I've actually dropped it in the lake a couple times too. So, I mean, it's a good way to save money. I mean, if I'm paying, give or take, Amazon screens, say $30, anything $30, and I'm doing it myself, then I don't have to pay the labor fee. So, and you learn how to do it along the process. So I hope this video really helps somebody. And yeah, if you want more, there might be a car video, anything else, just some video of some sort. So do comment, like, and subscribe, and have a good one.